colorful, cute cookies on a stick with my rainbow swirl lollipop cookies. These are not your average everyday cookies. They just remind me of being a kid and going to somewhere super magical or fun like an amusement park or a carnival. You don't get these kind of lollipops every day. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to tap that subscribe button to be the first to see my all new videos. The reason I love these cookies so much, well, besides the fact that they're pink and they look like candy, is because they turn out so cool and whimsical and you don't even need any cookie icing or decorating tools to make them. Basically, if you can work with Play-Doh, you can make these cookies, so they're a really easy, fun trick to working with cookie dough without having to know how to decorate any fancy decorations or use fancy piping tips or anything like that. These start with a soft, tender sugar cookie that bakes it beautifully without spreading or losing its shape, so it's perfect for making those pretty cookie swirls. Okay, so let's get started on the cookie dough, and as always, I'll leave the full written recipe for you guys down below, or you can get it on my website at lindsayandbakes.com. So in a small bowl, just whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. Then just set that aside, and in our mixing bowl, we're just gonna beat together some softened butter and some sugar on medium speed until it's nice and smooth and combined for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then on low speed, we're gonna beat in our egg and vanilla extract. Then slowly beat in the flour mixture until the dough forms and is no longer sticking. And if it's really too sticky, you can go ahead and add up to 1/4 cup of extra flour if you need. Now we're just going to divide the dough into 3 equal portions for each of our swirl colors. So add about 2 drops of food coloring to one portion and mix that all together. And then I added about 6 drops of food coloring to the second portion. And I just left the third portion plain to give it some contrast. So just put each portion of dough in a Ziploc baggie. Then we're just gonna pop them in the fridge for at least an hour. I like to just do it overnight to really give the dough a chance to chill. Then once it's nice and chilled, just go ahead and roll together the 3 portions of dough into one thick log. And the dough is gonna start to create a swirl pattern as you twist and roll, one end in one direction and the bottom end in the opposite direction. Then we're gonna slice it into 20 shorter logs, then take each piece and roll it out into a rope and start twisting and rolling the 3 colors together into one long rope, about 10 inches long. Then coil the rope into a round lollipop shape and go ahead and transfer it on top of a lollipop stick on a parchment or silicone lined baking sheet. And I'm doing pink and white swirls because it's my favorite, but you can do a rainbow of swirls. You can choose any color combination you want to fit the theme of any party or occasion or special event. And just go ahead and press it down gently on top of the stick so once it bakes, it's really stuck on there. Then my little trick for getting these to come out with that perfect swirl every time so they don't spread is just popping them in the freezer for about 10 minutes before we bake them. These already look so cool. I can't wait to get them in the oven and see how they turn out. Once they're nice and firm, we're just gonna bake them for about 9 to 12 minutes in a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven until they're just set. Oh my gosh, you guys, look how fun these came out! I love how you can see each color just swirled into each other. Alright, the best part, let's dig in. And if you guys give these a try, be sure to tag me in a picture on social media at Lindsay and Bakes, or share this video with somebody who you know would just adore these magical, whimsical little cookies. I think these just taste extra delicious because they're so freaking cute. They're sweet and buttery and soft with those crispy edges. And I think we can all agree that everything just tastes better when it's on a stick. And if you guys love this recipe, you're also gonna love my cotton candy lollipops or my ultimate no-bake Rice Krispie Treat candy drip cake. And you can make these as small or as big as you want. Just be sure to adjust the baking time so you don't over or under bake them. So there you have my pink rainbow swirl lollipop cookies. Thanks so much for watching and leaving me comments. You guys are the best. I love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for tons more videos that I know you're gonna love, and I'll see you right here next time. Bye!
How cool are these? They are cookies on a stick. There you can see the stick. And they look just like those fun swirly, whirly lollipops.